So this is the new chainring that I'll be putting on. And this is a 38 teeth, well, branded Wraith, but I got it from AliExpress. Yeah, 38 teeth chainring. Back again, and I had to clean this crank and removed all the residue of all the aluminium that was sheared off. I also had to get a different chainring. The one I had purchased was 96 BCD, so now I've gone for a 24-hour service and got this one which is 104 BCD. It's just the space between these holes. Hopefully this one fits. So I'm going to fix this on, and also I've ordered a chain guard, so I'll see if I can fix that as well. But yeah, chainring, crank, chain guard. Let's see how this goes. Got the chainring and the chain guard fixed now on here. This is the right one, so it's 104 BCD, which is what I needed, 38 teeth. And I put this chain guard, hopefully it just protects it a bit, which is not needed, but I thought I'd get one while I'm doing this. I've now cleaned the crank arm again, and this I've taken out all the filings, so hopefully it just goes in. I'm going to grease this up, so I bought some grease. Get that out. This is recommended on Amazon. We used to use what was it? Ceramic grease, but now I thought I've run out of that. Let's try this PPL1. See how this goes. So I'm just going to put some of this grease on here. As it was seized before, let's just re-grease this up. And I'll put some inside the crank arm as well. So let's get some of this. Just put it in here. Okay. Now, let's put this back on. Okay, back at the bike. I did notice something. So these cranks have to be aligned with each other, otherwise, so I think I had this up here and it was just not rotating correctly. So now, that's a very important thing. Make sure that when you put the crank back on, that this is basically aligned with the other crank, so then when it spins like that. Before it was just stopping spinning, then spinning, so now it's spinning freely. That's how it should be. And now we'll just put the screw back on. So now I'm going to go and install this extender as I mentioned earlier. So this is going to go here and bring this rear derailleur lower. Very rough. I was trying to fit the chain on and realised it wasn't going on because it was constantly hitting the cassette, the larger cassette. So did a bit of research and it looks like I need one of these, which is a hanger extender here. Doesn't say. My microphone stopped working at this point, but this video is just showing the tightening of the derailleur and the hanger extender, and also I'll be feeding through the chain through the derailleur and around the chainring. The cassette chain and derailleur as well as the shifter are part of a group set from a company called LTWOO. This is, I believe, A7 10 speed from AliExpress. I get my gently and didn't hear the click, but I think that would do. When installing the chain, this must click, as I learnt the hard way. That didn't work. Get that down, tune it up. Jumps don't seem to be too bad at the moment. I need to just sort this piece of wire out, plug it into. Put it here now, so let's just give it a go. 10 speed. Seems to be working fine. I think that's the right size, yeah. Finally, just lube the chain a bit. And that's the finished product. Overall, I think it was a big learning curve. I made a lot of mistakes on the way, but I'm really happy with the end result. And I didn't need the extra gears on the front, so just making the bike more simpler and less maintenance, and it's able still to go up hills with the big cassette. Thanks for watching.